Okay, in this short video I'm going to show you how to resize photos in Photoshop Elements. This is Elements 2020 I've got here. Although Elements has a process multiple files option, it doesn't do resizing well, so we have to do it individually in Elements. So once you've got your picture open, go to Image, Resize and Image Size. This panel will pop up, and in the top part of the panel you can see it says the pixel dimensions. If it's not showing pixels, it might be showing percent, in which case just change that and it will drop down to pixels. Now for club competitions, the maximum size of the image is 1600 pixels wide and 1200 pixels high. Now this is a square image, so we're not sure which one to set, but they track. So if I was to type 1600 in that width, you can see that our height is more than 1200, so that won't do. So what we need to do is enter 1200 in the height, and you can see that the width is less than 1600, so that will be fine. So you don't need to worry about the document size and the resolution and all that, just do the pixel dimensions and click OK. That's the picture resized. Now the important thing now is to do Save As, because at the moment you're altering your original picture and you don't want to do that. So just do Save As, select wherever you're going to put it. We'll put it in here, we'll call it Test 1. And so we'll replace that. It gives you the options here on quality. Always leave this on maximum, and it tells you the size the file is going to be, which is 907 kilobytes, which is fine. Click OK, and that's it done. So it's as simple as that, but you have to do it for each individual image with Elements. Okay, now in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Faststone photo resizer to resize a batch of images for club competitions. So the first thing to do is in this left-hand panel, that's your file system, is navigate to the files that you want to convert. So in this case, I want to convert these files here. So what you can do is just select them. That's doing Shift-click to select all of those. And if I press the Add button over here, it will move them to the right-hand side. And that list there on the right-hand side is the list of files that are going to be converted. You can put as many files in there as you like, but then we need to look at the settings to say what we're going to convert to. So you've got output format, which we want to be JPEG, and you need to tick advanced options, and in the advanced options you need to set the size that you want. So here we can set a new width of 1600 by 1200, and it's important that you have preserve aspect ratio ticked, because then it won't squish your pictures, it will just fit them within that window. There are lots of other things you can do here, but you don't need to worry about any of those. So once you've set that 1600 wide by 1200 high, you click OK, and you can see it down here. We've got the output folder. That's where they're going to go. So we might want to change that. So we'll go to desktop. That's where I got the pictures from. We'll go to there, and we'll create a new folder, and we'll call it Mike. Miss that. Mike Resize. So we've selected that folder now. So we should see down here that we're going to put the output into Mike Resize. And now all we have to do is click Convert. There we are, it's done them all now, just like that. So that's really fast. And you'll find all your images are in that new location, and they'll all be resized to fit within 1200 by 1600.